Alright, let's check the audio. I think we got audio. Check, we got the visuals, we got all the corners. Cool. Alright, so today one trade quite recent, and I failed to take it because, well, I decided beforehand at this time I will stop because I need to do something else, and yeah, missed it. So what do we have? We got this low creating some high, so I'm looking for long action, right? And we are here today, right? We also have, we moved down, we moved down, right? So we got this thing, and we got moving up, and we got moving down. So basically we come from here down, because this was the low and this was the level, or this is the double top or whatever, but yeah, from here we come down. So this is the block right here, right? And if this is the block, well, see the line cross? Yeah. So the first white pin here sweeps the top exactly at the time I leave the chart. And then there's another sweep. So this is the H1. Looking for a switch at that time. And yeah, so we come to the level. And let's have a look at EU at that the day, right? So M5. So what's happening? Okay, right. So we have EU doesn't really close lower until the sweep. Imagine that. So we got here. This is 8 o'clock here, and we go up. We go down, create something. We go up, and it doesn't close below this, right? Notice, no close below, and we come up from this. Cool. We retrace, we come up from it, and this close lower here. This is the switching point. This is the retrace into the area, and this is the trade here. Short below the formation, market order here perhaps, and stop above highs. So it would be like, let's say for pending version, right? Like this perhaps, yeah. Okay. And then for the TP, well, we're not sure it's gonna hit, right? But for the TP, right, just for the lows. Yeah, okay, cool. And yeah, so of course it's gonna be high R because, well, small area from M5 targeting H1. Yeah, sure. So whatever R model you choose personally, whatever I choose, yeah. That's the trade, and so I was thinking also to myself today that perhaps I'm gonna cap it for 3R cap. Has nothing to do with this position. You notice it doesn't. It almost hits it, but it doesn't do that. The reason is the strike rate for 1-to-1 is quite high. The strike rate for 1-to-2 is also not too bad. 1-to-3. If I get that, it's that's so good. And also, like, so let's say I take this position on, right? So I'm in here, right? Now we go lower and we go lower again. Cool. Here we have from this level, right? We have a zoom in. Okay. What happened now? How can I remove this? Let me change this thing. What's the oh yeah, okay. So I like the platform, but I don't really use that thing. Anyway, so what do we have here? So we have a move lower, retrace back up, a move lower again. These two are within the same bracket, meaning this is a double low in my system. That means I can trail to this position, and it means also that the trade would be free. And then we have the same thing happening again. Retrace, and again. Double low, and then we just go down and something happens, and this is the time at where the action comes from the US. And yeah, so pretty much trailed it maybe 1.5, but yeah, that's that's the trade example from the EU, and where I I didn't get it. And I also have some notifications set here, because yeah, if we go lower, I want to know. If we go beyond this level, that's not interesting any more. Yeah, I have it set on another account. It's also a bit confusing because I'm running currently I'm running 3 accounts, so where do we set the notifications? Yeah. So, I'm not sure if there was, yeah, for as an example, this also the pound yen. I was looking to short this because, well, we come up here, recent high, but whatever. We come up here, we fall down a little bit, and we come back up to the same level again. So is this a double top? Maybe, and price then goes away from it. So it was a double top. So I thought to myself, you know what? Maybe I'll short here, and maybe I will. But all the bars are on top of each other, so there's not really any power in this structure. And you know what that means? I'm just gonna leave it for now, because no power, I don't want to be there. And why would there be any power? This is happening during Monday, where the US is not at the market, right? Like at this white bar, I think is when the US market's open, or at least pre-market. But you get the idea. If nobody's participating, why should I do that, right? And it's, I mean, of course, with NFX, you know this. Everybody knows this, right? We start off with Asia, and Europe is not really present, and so we need to wait until like the instrument is live. The power is there. So, well, perhaps there's something later on for a short, but yeah, not really too much there. There was, yeah, I'm still looking for this to turn. This is a different pattern on, or similar pattern on UJ, right? We get too high, we come down, we get too high, pretty much same level, right? So it's double top, breaking down, we got gap, we got power down, and we come back to the level. So what are we waiting for? Some kind of direction switch. And so this is the last level. We go up and we go down, and nothing's happening here. And so if we close beyond this level somewhere, yeah, maybe I'll go short. Who knows? Maybe I'll target this, maybe I'll stop here. I will probably target this low or this. We'll see. That's why I have so many notifications. Yeah, I need to remove some of those. Yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Yeah, if you have any questions, or if you like the video, let's go ahead and like the video. Post your questions. Think that's it. Thanks. See ya.